Hi, everyone. This is Glenn Milewski, Chief Program Officer of ERB. A few months ago, we launched a new version of 360 Access that had our latest addition to our measurement portfolio, the check-in survey. The check-in survey is a survey that we developed in partnership with the Character Lab to measure student wellness. And our first release of information for the check-in survey pertained to a summary of results for students and an item analysis for students. It also included an information graphic about what the check-in survey measures and why it matters, and a set of resources to help students develop well-being in specific areas related to these three categories: emotional well-being, fairness and belonging, and academic engagement. What we just released this month, June of 2022, is a new trend report. Within this trend report, users can see how well-being is changing over time in the three areas that we measure. They can also isolate specific factors of well-being. So for example, if the focus is on emotional well-being, they can create a plot for just that factor. They can also isolate specific grades. So this plot shows all students, but let's suppose the user wanted to understand middle schoolers, for example. And there's somewhat of a different trend for those grades as opposed to all grades. And the user can also select various school years and seasons. So for example, if they wanted to take out the fall of 2020, they could do that. The trend report can be downloaded to a PDF, which is helpful for sharing results with faculty at your school or adding it to PowerPoint presentations. And it's available for any school that administers the check-in survey over time. We're hoping that this new trend report can help you understand the minds of students better in order to intervene and help them get on track with wellness. Have a great summer and best wishes for a successful conclusion to the school year.